We are here at MIITE in the Emirates 2026 to showcase the strength and capabilities of UAE manufacturing and industrial innovation. This platform allows us to connect with industry leaders, partners, investors and customers while supporting the UAE's vision for industrial growth and local manufacturing. At this remarkable gathering, AJ Alasmawi Group proudly showcased its strength, vision and commitment to excellence. At the heart of our success is our chairman, Mr. Abdul Jalil Alasmawi. With strong vision and leadership, he has built a group that continues to grow and support the UAE's industrial future. We are proud to strengthen our partnership with Dubai Industrial City as we continue expanding our industrial footprint in the UAE. Guided by our chairman's vision, some of our major companies like Drilltech, Galaxy Metal Industries, Emirates Pallet Factory and Al Naras Metal Coating presented advanced solutions and high-quality products. We were honored to welcome industry leaders and partners from across the region and beyond. Your presence and engagement inspire us to continue pushing boundaries. We were honored to welcome many visitors, partners, and industry professionals to our stand.
It was a great experience to connect, share ideas, and understand their needs. Every conversation gave us new insights and strengthened our relationships for the future.
Thank you for your time, your interest, and your trust. We also thank the MIITE in the Emirates team and ADNEC Centre for organizing such a successful event. And we thank the UAE for creating opportunities and supporting industrial growth. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you next year at MIITE in the Emirates 2027.